Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and this time one on our own request. It was brought to my attention. I didn't see it the first time, but somebody around me mentioned the Rolex of Richard Hammond. He had a horrible crash in it, and it was presented to him like that. And in a by sentence, he mentioned, but it isn't working. And somebody around me says, ping! We would love to restore this Rolex. Not just because we love restoration, but maybe Richard Hammond, as a former brainiac, we would love to see the impact that's had on the movement of the watch, the heat, the impact itself, the G-forces, whatever. Our hands are itching. We would love to restore that watch. Restore it in an authentic way, because you referred it, Richard, you referred to it as your lucky watch. And if it isn't running, it's just like a bottle of gin without a gin, or a motor without an engine. A watch needs to be running. We do it the authentic way, so we leave the outside exactly what it is. On the inside we use as much as the original parts as possible, maybe all of them, and the authentic way, so everything keeps original, stays original, but our hands are itching. What does the inside of that particular watch look like? That is what we are offering. We would love to restore your watch, Richard Hammond. If anybody knows Richard Hammond or the smallest cork garage, please be in contact. That is what we're offering. We would love to restore the watch, and please, in the comments, would you love to see it? It would be excellent. We've done several restoration, a lot of restoration jobs that seemed completely impossible, and but we did. Rolex eaten by a cow in the 50 years in the field, completely rusted. The watch from a British soldier, 80 years in the ground during a market garden, and that is running perfectly again. And yeah, we would love to see the inside of the watch. So this is for our own request. Anybody who knows the smallest cock, Richard Hammond, his management, somebody around him, please bring this open letter to his attention, because we are fans of watch restoration, and please let us know if you would like to see it. All of you, enjoy your weekend. See ya. Bye bye.